Download the ROM and Google Apps from the link in description below. Go to your custom recovery. Go to Wipe and select the following partition. And swipe to wipe. If you are using MIUI, go to Menu, Manage Partitions and select Data, then tap Format Data, type Yes to format. Go to Files and browse the downloaded ROM file. Swipe to install. Once done, go to Menu, Mount and select all the options. Go back to Files. Browse the Google Apps file. Swipe to install. Once done, you can install Magisk if you want, or you can directly reboot. Enjoy.